Scoop to poop, poop, scoop, scoop to poop, scoop, scoop, scoop to poop.
It's 7:30 a.m. About to get started. It's rewritten rope solo time. Let's fucking get it.
She holds. Oh, the fog is rolling in. Okay, nice, nice, nice.
We just got to the top of P3. Awesome hand crack. Let's fucking do it.
Woo! Holy shit, this is epic. Oh, it's so beautiful. Baby, oh, you're sappy. What? Maybe you're just excited to see me. Woo! We going back up the fourth pitch on TRS. Just clear it up. Just beautiful. Oi. Woo! Still doing this thing. All by myself. Having a good old time.
We just got through the crux pitch, charrette right up there, and then we summit, baby. The views, absolutely spectacular. The vibes, absolutely spectacular. We're gonna do this thing. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We're doing it, and we're almost done, so yeah.
Where's my big boy? This is epic. This is so fucking just awesome. And I know I'm talking to myself, but it's a good old time over here. I shunned a fucking awesome crack and just whoop-de-de-doo. Scoop to poop, poop, scoop, scoop to poop, scoop, scoop, scoop to poop. We want all of the slack. Dude, this is so cool. Boom, another bomb jam, another jug. Last exposure at the summit. It's the best thing ever. Wow. Woo. Done, baby.